We are wrapping up a great Memorial Day weekend out here at Billy Creek. Some awesome cabin updates. Spray foam, electric, plumbing, all that stuff. I'm going to show you that in just a little bit. We went out riding side-by-sides with a bunch of friends out in the mountains. It was amazing. Carrie and I finished building our two pergolas on the deck that overlooks the swim hole. And a bunch of other things. So anyway, let me give you a quick tour. I feel like we're at the finish line. I know we're not, but it's insulated and it just feels that way. Let me show you what I'm talking about. To be sitting out here on the deck, looking at the creek, listening to the water flowing, it's just amazing. Out here, besides some random scaffolding that they've been creating to do some of the work on the height of this place, it's feeling almost complete. Inside, not so much. Yeah, our biggest struggle, as usual, is it's almost time to go back home. And we don't ever want to go back home. We like to be here. So we're about to pack it up and head home for the weekend. But let me show you some of the stuff we've gotten done. Inside, we have the spray foam insulation. I wanted to see how well it works. So I grabbed this little portable AC unit. This thing is made for a 250 square foot room, 6,000 BTU. And this place is cool and it's not humid. I've been running this for a day now. And it is cool in here. Outside it's kind of muggy and warm and, you know, certainly sweating during the day. Yeah, so I certainly would recommend getting one of these little LG portable AC units. And this spray foam works so well. So spray foam, pretty awesome. We did open cell inside, of course. And with the 2x6 walls, it's like 5.5 inch thick. Laundry room and bathroom upstairs. We have doors. Now underneath, I'll show you that in a little bit. We did enclosed cell underneath, 1 inch thick, and that washer and dryer bottom. Hot water heater. Over here, vanity will be there. Toilet over here, and then we'll have this little stand-up shower in the corner. So full bath. I'm not sure what we're going to do over here. Maybe some of you guys have some ideas. We were going to put a queen-size bed and a half wall along here. But I'm debating if maybe a futon or some combination of such. So this can be a couch and sitting area and still have the view. And you can just sit here because this is where I'd want to be personally. So just sit up here, and then if you want to convert it to a bed, you can. So we have that option. Also, while you're sitting here, we do plan to have our TV on the wall here on a swivel mount. Straight ahead, this will be a electric fireplace with a ceiling fan up above, right there. So it'll be a really neat space. Cool view of who's coming and going out back. And then you can see Turtle Creek out that window, Turtle Creek there, Billy Creek all out there. I don't know. I'm not sure. Oh, and this won't be here. We're going to put a wooden post, big beam right there. That'll look awesome. When you first walk in the front door, you'll be greeted by a shiplap wall there, stained wooden ceilings with a big beam, engineered beam on the top, shiplap over there, And then this wall will be all sheetrock, and the kitchen, bathroom, bedrooms will be sheetrock. When you walk in, this will be an island with a cooktop in it, stove, and little bar stools around it for a little sitting area to eat. Which I figure most people, if the weather's nice, are going to be eating outside anyway. So small kitchen counter, fridge, and then you see we already have our doors in. So this will be the main bathroom. Vanity straight ahead. Have a little view, get some light in. And this will be the shower. So there's a faucet, shower head up here, shower head up there. So double shower, and the toilet will be right here. You can either go into the entryway or into this bedroom. It's kind of a small bedroom, but we would rather have more cabin, more outside, less bedroom. So to accommodate that, we have little lights that'll be on the wall that you can just reach over, turn your light on or off, a little reading light. Plugs here for a small nightstand to charge your devices. And from here, we'll have a TV on the wall and a swivel mount if you choose to have some alone time and want to watch some TV. And you've got a private deck. So this deck, we've decided to go with our original plan of doing a vintage clawfoot bathtub out here. Need to do some privacy shades or something, but this will have an outdoor bath deck. I'm thinking maybe an outdoor shower underneath, but we haven't quite figured all that out. Back inside. Oh, it's so much cooler in here. I love that AC unit. I just like air conditioning. So up front, when you do walk in, you see that shiplap wall. Right here, we'll have an electric fireplace built little right there. TV up above that. So you can either sit here and watch wildlife outside. Currently, there's a butterfly flying by. Or watch a beautiful fireplace or a TV. Let's go downstairs. So downstairs, the big addition is, this is for our ceiling upstairs. All the wood needs to be stained yet. But we have closed cell spray foam underneath the cabin. It's not under the deck, just the cabin portion. And that is a major upgrade for us. Need to fix this door. They put an in-swing door on, and that's not going to work because you have to walk in the closet to get to your breaker panel. Doesn't make a lot of sense. If you have to walk in, you can't put anything on the floor. It takes away the closet. So we've decided here, see there's no railing, this will be shale and gravel. So this will be side-by-side parking. So you drive in, come down here, and park your side-by-side, and you can just come up onto your hot tub deck. We thought that would be a great touch because this area is big for side-by-sides. A lot of people out here with their side-by-sides trail riding. This is one of the greatest spots we know to trail ride. Hundreds and hundreds of miles, all kinds of terrain, mountains, views. It's amazing. So here's some pictures of what we just did this weekend. We went up to the fire tower. We went up to a place called White Rock. Took a bunch of people there. Stream crossings. Yeah, so that's why people will want to rent cabins like this, so they can go out and ride their side-by-sides with their friends and go hang out and have a good time in the National Forest. The National Forest only half a mile away from where we're standing right now. Friends, family, and followers that have been around for a while might know or remember that we had a 10-foot tall bell tent on a deck right over there. We have, over New Year's, we removed half the deck and made just one deck to overlook from over there, our own little private swim hole. We're not quite finished, but we've got a good chunk of it done. So here we have an This is 8 foot deep, 20 feet long. So here we have an 8x6 little pergola. Little railings that we're going to put the little cables like the cabin has underneath this, but it has a sail shade to keep stuff off of you, which would be really nice, especially in the fall when we're constantly out here clearing everything off. So on this side, we have an 8x5.5 pergola. We couldn't quite get it to 6 because there's a tree in the way. So what we're going to do is get another one of these footings, put it right here with a 4x4 post and make a rail across here. And then this will be all railed in, and the mothers won't cry because their children are going to fall off the edge into the creek, into the great abyss of the swim hole. This is why we want a deck here. This is the corner of our property line, and you can see up Billy Creek. When the water's higher, these rocks are all gone. When the water's lower, there's a stream over here and over here. That's just a really cool place to sit, and this is where the noise is. This is the loudest water spot, the highest volume of water on the property. So we wanted to come and sit here. And whether we have the cabin or not, we want a private sitting deck. So this will have a sail shade over top of it, and we're going to bring the sail shade, I think, down to here. So this will all be kind of a privacy blocker. The hot tub, we're going to get rid of that and move it. And then this will be, like right now, I'd be in the shade if I had a sail shade. But this will be a covered private area, kind of blocked off from that area. We'll have our own little deck. Just a private place just to sit, maybe eat some dinner, and listen to the water. To all of you following along in our treehouse cabin build and our Billy Creek property updates over the last couple years, this is the most exciting one to me. We almost have this finished deck here. We're gonna have some friends out soon and we'll have a cool place to sit. The treehouse cabin is coming along and hopefully that'll be done. The builder's saying July. I don't think so. Hopefully this summer we'll have it all finished up. So thanks for coming out. More updates coming soon. Hopefully some big ones. Hopefully next time we come we'll have some sheetrock, some of the ceiling wood up, and some wall board up. That'll be amazing. After that happens, comes time for cabinets. Anyway, have a great time. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your support, and enjoy your time in the trees.